Today's news headline is Political Polarization. Amit Shah's provocative speech against Rohingya in Jharkhand. Details of the news.
भाई और बहनों, आज संथाल परगना और कोल्हान में बांग्लादेशी और रोहिंग्या घुसपैठ बहुत बड़ा खतरा है।
एक बार झारखंड सरकार बदल दीजिए, रोहिंग्या और बांग्लादेशी घुसपैठियों को चुन चुन कर झारखंड के बाहर भेजने का काम भारतीय जनता पार्टी करेगी।
In a recent election campaign rally in Jharkhand, India's Home Minister Amit Shah delivered a controversial speech targeting Rohingya refugees and Bangladeshi migrants. He vowed that if the BJP secures power in Jharkhand, his government will expel Rohingya and Bangladeshi infiltrators from India, further asserting that rioters would face severe consequences, including being hung upside down. This rhetoric speech has drawn significant attention, reflecting the BJP's ongoing strategy of mobilizing Hindu voters through anti-Muslim rhetoric. Amit Shah is known for his compelling oratory, often garners headlines for his divisive speeches. His remarks echo similar statements made by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in Jharkhand election campaign, suggesting a coordinated approach within the party to address immigration and security concerns with a strong nationalist narrative. The BJP has consistently framed the issue of illegal immigration as a threat to national security, raises concerns about its implications for communal harmony. Critics argue that this strategy is a part of a broader pattern of marginalizing Muslims in India. Since the BJP came in power in 2014, there has been a palpable shift in the political landscape, with an increase in incidents of violence and discrimination against Muslims. Many feel that the current climate has made it increasingly difficult for Muslims to live freely and safely in their own country. This environment is compounded by legislative measures perceived as discriminatory, such as the Citizenship Amendment Act (CAA), which critics argue grants preferential treatment to non-Muslim refugees. The rhetoric employed by leaders like Amit Shah and Narendra Modi has sparked fierce debates about citizenship, identity, and the nature of Indian democracy. As elections approach, the BJP's focus on these issues raises questions about the future of communal relations in India and the protection of majority rights. The party's continued emphasis on Hindu nationalism suggests that the political landscape may become even more polarized, with significant implications for social cohesion and national unity. The ongoing discourage highlights the challenges faced by marginalized communities in a rapidly changing political environment.